What to consider when choosing a weight loss cleanse. If you are, have you heard of weight loss cleanses, also commonly referred to as colon cleanses, before? That is why it is sometimes possible to find colon cleanses being referred to as weight loss cleanses. If you have never tried the colon cleanse before, namely to lose weight, you may be wondering what you should look for in the colon cleanse. If that is the case, you will want to continue reading on our website. Outlined below are a few of the many points that you should take into consideration when looking to buy a colon cleanse. Asterisk when looking to buy a colon cleanse or weight loss cleanse is safety. Asterisk consult with a healthcare professional. Asterisk check the directions of the colon cleanse or weight loss cleanse. Click the link in the description box below